Next salient feature is the integrated and independent judiciary. The Supreme Court is a federal court, the highest court of appeal, Supreme Court, the guarantor of the fundamental rights of the citizens and the guardian of the Constitution, that is the Supreme Court. Hence, the Constitution has made various provisions to ensure its independency. So, how can the Supreme Court can be independent, or how can they can work independently? So, from that, the first is security of tenure of the judge. Second is the fixed service condition for the judge. Then all the expense of the Supreme Court charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. Fourth is the prohibition on the discussion on the conduct of the judge in the legislatures. Then the ban on practice after retirement. Then the power to punish for the contempt vested in the Supreme Court. Separation of the judiciary from the executive. The judge of the Supreme Court are legally binding. The judgments of the Supreme Court are legally binding, and there is a no appeal against the judgment of the Supreme Court. The Constitution made the Supreme Court as the guardian, custodian, and the protector of the Constitution. All these factors have led and it had integrated the independent judiciary. This is one of the salient feature of the Indian Constitution, that is the integrated and independent judiciary.